In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix waiting for Wi-Fi in Google Drive. If Google Drive is stuck on waiting for Wi-Fi, it usually means your device or browser thinks the internet connection isn't stable enough to upload or sync. We'll clear that up with two simple actions, starting with your connection and then refreshing your browser session so Drive can pick up where it left off. First, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and make sure you're connected to the correct network. Toggle Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to force a fresh handshake with the router. Confirm you're not in airplane mode and check that the signal strength is decent. A weak signal can make Drive pause uploads. If your network uses a sign-in or acceptance page, open a new browser tab and visit any website to trigger it, then complete the sign-in so your connection is fully active. If you recently changed the Wi-Fi password or the network looks unstable, forget the network and reconnect by entering the password again. It's also helpful to quickly test your connection by loading a couple of websites to confirm things are responsive. Once you're sure the Wi-Fi is truly connected and working, return to Google Drive and give it a moment to recognize the active connection. Next, restart your browser to reset the Drive session. Fully close the browser so all windows are shut, then reopen it. In the address bar, go to drive.google.com and sign back in if prompted. This simple restart clears temporary glitches and reloads Drive's background processes, which can get stuck and keep showing waiting for Wi-Fi even after your internet is fine. Once Drive loads, try your upload or refresh the page. You should see the status move from waiting for Wi-Fi to uploading or sync complete as the connection reestablishes. A quick tip as you check progress: watch the small status area in Drive near the bottom right. If it shows files queuing or retrying, you're on the right track. Give it a little time, especially for larger files, because Drive verifies connectivity before resuming. That's it. By reconnecting your Wi-Fi to ensure a clean, stable link, and then restarting your browser to refresh the Drive session, you'll resolve the most common causes of the waiting for Wi-Fi message. If uploads still don't resume after these two actions, it's likely a temporary network issue or a brief service hiccup. So waiting a bit and trying again can help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your files moving again.